Garden cabins. Hi, I'm Karen Smith, owner of Bright Spark Electrical Services. Today, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know about installing electrical systems in your garden cabin or home office. More homeowners are transforming their outdoor spaces into productive work areas for hybrid working or relaxing retreats. But one of the most important aspects to get right is the electrical installation. First off, why choose a professional? Outdoor electrical work has unique challenges: exposure to moisture, temperature changes and mechanical risks. Incorrect wiring can lead to faults, fire hazards or even dangerous electrical shocks. We follow the BS 7671 UK wiring standards and are fully accredited members of the NIC EIC. That means every job we do is thoroughly tested, certified and compliant with all safety regulations. Proper planning is key. We start with site assessment to understand your specific needs. Based on this, we design a tailored electrical plan. For example, we usually suggest a dedicated sub-main cable from your home to the cabin, with a secondary consumer unit inside for organised and safe power distribution. Once the plan is in place, we install the sub-main, ensuring it's rated for outdoor use and environmental conditions. We then fit the secondary consumer unit inside the cabin. This acts like the control centre for all your electric circuits. Safety features like earthing and residual current devices are installed to protect you and your property. Now let's talk about sockets and lighting. We typically install at least 4 power outlets in the cabin, placed strategically for your equipment, whether it's a laptop, tools or appliances. Will you be needing weatherproof external sockets? Will you be needing USB charging points within the sockets inside? How about wireless switches? There's nothing worse than having the lights on the outside of the cabin in the winter. You walk up to the house and you've forgotten to turn the lights off. Wireless switches to control those outside lights. We've got you covered. These features add convenience, safety and make your outdoor space truly functional. Rest assured, all work is thoroughly tested and documented. We handle all certification, including Part P registration, so that your installation is fully compliant, safe and legal. If you're thinking about creating or upgrading your garden, office or cabin, get in touch with us, Bright Spark Electrical Services. We'll provide you with a transparent quote, a detailed plan and expert installation. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.